Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making guacamole and lemonade punch. First I'm going to take 3 avocados and peel and depit them. So we were in Savannah, Georgia, and actually had this guacamole in some fish tacos, and I thought it was so good. So we asked the chef for the recipe, and so this is that chef's recipe. So I'm very excited about it, but it didn't seem like anything weird or anything different to me. It just sounded pretty standard, so we'll see. Now I'm gonna squeeze 1 lime. So now I'm going to chop up about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cilantro. 1 shallot that's fairly big. I'm going to add all of the avocado, the lime juice, and the cilantro and shallots into a bowl and mix them all good together, and I'll probably do it with a fork. So I'm actually using like a meat separator and mashing it up together, and it works really well. Now I'm gonna add salt and pepper to taste. Anything. Really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put that in the fridge to cool down. Okay, so now for the punch, I get the Country Time pink lemonade mix, and you make sure you get the Country Time one, but you can also get the just regular lemonade one if you want it to be yellow. So you're going to add 1 cup of this powder. I put about 3 cups of pineapple juice in, and you do equal parts of pineapple juice, orange juice, and water. Now I'm gonna get a big spoon like this and mix it all together. Next I'm gonna fill the serving pitcher up with halfway with ice, and then some pineapple. And there you have my favorite punch. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Please test out my new recipes, they're so good, and subscribe to my channel for the giveaway. Bye.